Are you tired of being frustrated by seemingly unbeatable opponents in Clash Royale? Well, fear not. Follow my advice, and I'll show you how you will never lose another game in Clash Royale. So it's basically a three-step process. First thing you do, you've got to suck at the game. Decide that you're going to make a video about it. Decide that you're going to show the world how badly you suck. And start doing a screen recording of your gameplay. And now be frustrated by the fact that you will never lose another game in Clash Royale again. Until you stop screen recording. Terms and conditions apply. Guarantees not included.